once.
Number once.
Yeah, no, once. They're always happy when our players doing well, man. You know, always happy.
Did you watch the game yesterday?
See a little because of training. You know, but proud of Michail.
Mr. Richards, are you finished on that question?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
So Jensen, good to see you, sir. Mr. Anderson, Mr. Hill, members of the media. Reaching the final for the first time, I think it's a great achievement. It's something we set out on from we step foot into Mount Pleasant. So the task was always been June 11, and here we are. So for me and the Mount Pleasant family, I think it's a great achievement. I think it's hard work, a lot of hard work, a lot of planning. At times I think we have a bit of stumble, but in everything we always gonna find a little bit of stumble. But I think the most important part, we stick to what we want to do to achieve where we are at the moment. So overall, I think it's a great achievement. But as the saying say, we have created a bit of history for being the first team to really take the Mount Pleasant to a final. But what we want to do is not only create history. I think we want to, myself and the technical staff, I think we want to leave a legacy in Central.
Mario?
In our Warren Bright. So first we get the technical staff. We look on the areas where in the team, the players we have who want the areas we want to strengthen. So all of that we did before even signing a contract at Mount Pleasant, you know. So then we start to do our groundwork, you know. So that's where it all started. We started out the season wanted to be in that top six, you know, and then from the top six we see semi-final and final. So here we are today.
And just a follow-up for that, was it a matter of you trying to shift the kind of mentality from those, you know, kind of close seasons that, you know, didn't take that next step, but to get to where you are now? Was it a matter of mentality switch, or just getting proper pieces to complete the set?
You know, it was a lot of work, but everything can be done in one season, you know. So along the way you try to fix things. Again, you know, when you have a boss like Mr. Golu, you know, at times he gets a bit frustrated, you know, especially when the results not going our way. But again, with belief, you know, and you sitting here, you want to do so much for Mount Pleasant, because again, we want to keep Mr. Gold happy, you know, and once you can keep Mr. Gold happy, because I think he's someone who we need in football, and if the country can have at least 3 or 4 more Mr. Gold, then I think it would be better for our football in the country. Can offer what he has to offer for football. So it was nothing to really, you know, consider. Then we always have discussion, even before it coming to Mount Pleasant, you know, we always sit and we have all sorts of discussions. So it was easy for the agent to join the staff, you know. But every game is important. We play every game to it.
You know, but for your overall.
And again, it will be good to going into the final. Again, as I said before, the first time I bring the trophy to center. So it's something that I'm looking forward to.
You talk about legacy coach. If I recall, I think prior to this season, you were the coach. Probably I think it's one season. Probably I think it's a half a season in the Premier League. you step back into local football and you're straight in the final. As you say, what do you think this actually says to the local public? I know you have faced your criticism in the past. What do you have to say about this?
Well, as I said before, I really don't know what to say because I'm not trying to prove anything. You know, whether the national team or local, I always give up my best 110%. Not everyone will accept it. You know, but at all times I always give up my best.
And just to mention that previous season you coached, what's the difference between the level of coaching now as to then? Because you took the team basically in half a season and was overrunning the league during that time. The level of coaching we all know has improved tremendously over the last decade or so. What do you think is different with the level of coaching back then to what it is now?
Well, again, the game has evolved. You know, the game has evolved. You know, as Mr. Anderson mentioned, with a lot more good pitches. You know, I think our players need to be more serious about the craft because there's no doubt that we have a lot of talent in Jamaica. Again, the quarterfinal would have showcased and you would have heard from people saying that boy is the best they have seen, you know, for quite the entertaining football and I think the pitch have a lot to do with that.
One last question, coach, before my friend Daniel. Mr. Speed is a great tactician, as you all know. How you view that matchup with Mr. Speed? And as we say, some people will say you are not the best of friends, coach. Tactician to tactician, how you view Mr. Speed as a tactician and how you view that matchup coach and coach for the final?
Well, again, for me, I don't see it as me against Mr. Speed. I think it's more pleasant against Cavalier because all I can do, I don't know about Mr. Speed, but all I can do is prepare my team on the day once we can execute. Then it's about the team, it's not about me. I'm not the one going out there to play.
Before we get to that.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Thoedore Withmore, and I welcome you back to the final staging of the Jamaica Premier League press conference. It has been wonderful for the ones that we have had since the start of February, which was the second round of action. We have seen 14 teams go down to 6 teams, then to 4, and we're now at the final 2. Even though Cavaliers absent, they will go up against Mount Pleasant on Sunday at 7 p.m. at Savannah Park. Mount Pleasant, since you're here, congratulations from myself and all our media colleagues, and we thank you so much for coming. A round of applause. So I've been pleased with the performances, I think, of the top 6 teams, the 4 as well. The number of goals scored have me excited. And I know how I feel about the local league. I take it for what it is. I think that we have talent. We might not have the talent like we see on display all the time. Nevertheless, our players do nothing but give their best. And we have to also applaud the coaches for the job they would have done throughout the 2022-2023 season. So for now, I'm going to invite, I'm going to start from my far left, and I'm going to invite